What is up, guys? Welcome back to another episode with Lorenzo the Fisherman. I am just now leaving Cabela's, and you know what? I got something to show you guys when we get home. I am very proud to say. Nah, I'm just joking. Actually, I do got something to show you when we get home. So, with that being said, what did I get? Well, I don't I don't know what to say. This is terrible. Terrible intro. Jesus Christ. Welcome back to another episode with Lorenzo the Fishman. Let's make this intro a lot better. Alright. Okay. I still feel like this is terrible. Okay. So like you know, I just left Cabela's. So I bought a very, I don't know. It's my very first. Like, how do I tell you guys without telling you? You know, that's fucking me up here. Guys, my ride is here. I'll explain later. Just know my ride. It's here. That was ugly as fuck. It's here, guys. It is here. Let's go open it up right now, and so I can show you what's in that bag too. Oh yeah. So guys, I don't know if I've told you in previous videos, but I ordered a rod off a Tackle Warehouse. Obviously you can see it was the number 8 blackout. They're doing a closeout sale on them, so I was like, you know what, let me try it out, whatever, you know, see how it is. And it's here. But not only am I excited to show you this, I'm excited to show you what's in this bag. Now, by the way the bag is, like the way whatever's in the bag is shaped, you can probably already tell what it is. Well, I don't know if you guys can tell, but I am super excited to show you what I have, show you what I bought. Oh my god. And plus, if I ever go on vacation, I got a place to put my rods. But here we go. First, I want to show you what I bought from Cabela. Ooh. Yes, sir. A brand new reel. Shimano Caius. I don't know how you pronounce it. All I know is it's Shimano, and it's brand new, and it's going on this reel, on this rod, rod. It's gonna be a nice combo. Anyways, the reel is a 6:3 to 1 gear ratio, Shimano, and it has a matte black finish. Nice release, smooth, just real smooth, star drag, it clicks, real smooth tension, knob, and it has different kind of braking system. I'm not used to this, so it's gonna get a little bit of getting used to, but nevertheless, I'm excited. Got a new reel and a new rod. So let's open up the rod, huh? Oh, did you guys hear that? Hold on, let me see if I can do it again. Come on. Oh, I didn't do it as good. It's in there. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. All right. Hold on. All right. Oh, this looks beautiful already. Oh my god. Oh, damn. Oh, Jesus. All right. All right. All right. See? All eyelids are in place. This handle looks sick. Got the number 8 down here. Look at the handle though. Sick as A, as F. Blackout. What's this says? High. I don't know what that says. But it is one sick, badass rod, dude. I'm not even joking. It is a 7-foot, medium heavy, extra fast rod. So, I don't know what I use this for, but let's put it on and make it official. Let's put the reel on and make it official. Kind of hard to do this with one hand, so just bear with me. Yeah, here we go. Gonna make this official. Okay. Okay. Alright. There goes one. There goes the other. Oh, no. Twist it. Look at the vein in my hand, guys. Jesus. Guys. We now have a new setup. Is that a pooch? Hi, Papas. Hi. Hi, puppies. Hi, Papas. Oh, hi. No. There's another Papas. Hi, Papas. Hi. How are you? Okay. Yes, it's new. It's new. All right. Okay. All right. Okay. Go to your cage. Go. Aren't they the cutest? Okay, guys. So, got a new rod, new reel. What else can you ask for? Oh well, I also bought for Cabela's a pack of lizards, cause I have a lot of luck on lizards over here at my local lake, and I also got this from Tackle Warehouse as well. So I'm gonna open this right now. Put the camera down. This is pull tab here. All right, that's open. Free Tackle Warehouse sticker. We don't need to know about that. You don't need to know about that. And a pack of Yum Dingers, because these bring me the most luck during the spring and summer fishing, especially in this color, which is called bream. So here, I'm gonna show it out. I'm gonna take it out and show you. So this is what it looks like. I really hate the fact that you gotta do that shit. It if I can open the damn bag. Shit. It's kind of like a green pumpkin mixed with the blue. Oh, it's just a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful worm. Smells amazing because, you know, they got that scent on them. I might put this on one of my tackle boxes. I don't know. I might put it on my truck. I'm not too sure. But yeah, it's pretty dope. Actually, I'm gonna put this on my truck. Put it on my truck. You know what I'm saying? Alright, but for real, guys, this is the end of the video. Don't forget, I got a giveaway going on, so check out my last video. You guys got until March 7th to enter. Share the video, let the people know, and let's get these people going. Just follow the rules in the video and you'll be fine. Alright, so thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Please check out my last video. It's a giveaway. I'm doing a special giveaway to 2 lucky winners. So just get over there, check it out, follow the rules, and yeah, everything will be golden. So thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next video.